The Zierick Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award is sponsored by Zierick Manufacturing Corporation, Mount Kisco, New York. It recognizes outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of programs and processes and the use of assets that lead to significant improvements in productivity. The winner of the 2019 Zierick Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award is Anchor Manufacturing Group, Cleveland, Ohio. The company won the award for productivity gains realized on its crash tube line, which manufactures 3 steering column crash tubes. Improving the crash tube line was challenging due to tight part tolerances and high throughput expectations. Also challenging was the complexity of the line, which includes a forming machine with 5 stations, a pierce machine with 9 stations, 2 CNCs, a deburring operation, a parts washer, a stencil unit, and a restrike press. The first major improvements occurred on the form and pierce equipment to correct mechanical issues with the equipment as well as quality issues with the parts. Investigation of a galling issue in the forming machine revealed oil sprayers getting bumped out of position and not spraying on the location of the tube required for effective lubrication. This was corrected by hardlining the lube system. Anchor also worked with the lube supplier to perform analyses on the lube at different frequencies after a tank recharge. This helped determine when the system needed to be recharged and led to the addition of an appropriate preventive maintenance schedule. In addition, parts falling and jamming at the conveyors between the form and pierce machines caused downtime and scrap. To fix this, Anchor engineered, built, and implemented a pick-and-place system to move parts from one machine to the other. As for part quality, tubes exhibited slots out of location along the length of the tube as well as missing holes. Anchor corrected these issues through the implementation of LVDT sensors and inline cameras. Lastly, the 2 CNCs and the deburring operation required 3 total associates, 1 operator for each. In reviewing this, Anchor determined that too much time was spent on non-value-added activities, and the CNC machine cycle time needed to be decreased. Anchor then worked with the company to fully automate the CNC operations using a gantry pick-and-place system and 2 robots. Anchor achieved numerous benefits as a result of the productivity improvements, including increased customer satisfaction due to improved on-time delivery and quality, and an annual savings of more than $567,000 from scrap reduction and increased efficiency. Anchor's average scrap rate between the 3 parts was reduced from 3.9 to 1.35%. Additionally, the company went from running 181 parts per hour with 5 associates to running 240 parts per hour with 2 associates. Congratulations, Anchor Manufacturing Group, on your remarkable achievement.